The pretrial Chamber 1 issued a warrant of arrest for President Bashir on 4th March 2009 for crimes against humanity and war crimes. The chamber rejected the prosecutor's request in respect of genocide, arguing that the materials given were not enough to support the genocide charges. On 6th July the same year, 2009, the prosecutor filed an appeal against the decision. Now, 7 months later, the appeal chamber redirected the pretrial chamber to look afresh into whether or not the arrest warrant should be extended to cover the charge of genocide. The judges found that the standard of proof the pretrial chamber had applied was too demanding at the arrest warrant stage.
The pretrial chamber is directed to decide anew on the basis of the correct standard of proof whether a warrant of arrest in respect of the crime of genocide should be issued.
This is an indication of how the ICC process can be long and winding. The Dafur situation was referred to ICC by the United Nations Security Council in March 2005. The Kenyan situation, on the other hand, was initiated by the prosecutor himself last year after gathering information he described as proof enough to begin investigations. If given the green light to investigate, he will eventually have to prove to the courts that crimes against humanity were committed, a lesser charge as compared to the genocide crime that he is fighting to have Bashir face. For most Kenyans, it does not matter how long the process will take, but most important for them is to find out the names of the suspects. Those names will only be known when the warrant of arrest is issued. Meanwhile, officials of ICC in charge of public information are in the country to educate Kenyans on how ICC works.
This is the first time we are speaking because we have been listening all the time, and now there is a heap of different concerns and questions.
They say they are not here to investigate as they do not work for the office of the prosecutor, but their role is only to correct wrong perceptions about the ICC. Chamwada, Citizen TV.